You're telling me what? Find a flight, a helicopter, find one. I need to see, I need to submit this presentation ASAP. And I already gave you this itinerary before the beginning of the month. Fix it. No. Just fix it. Oh, hold on. 1 minute. Yeah. I have not washed my hair in 2 months. I have dandruff and things creeping in my hair. Get me a salon appointment ASAP. I don't care if all the salons are closed. Sort it out or bring the whole salon to my house. Thank you. This incompetent people that are... Who is this one now? Should I pick this one? No. Shaggy. My apologies, Shaggy. Don't be angry. You see, all of these mad people, I don't know where they are bringing their madness to. But I will meet them halfway. You understand? Shaggy. Babami. The king of the band. Babami. The commodore of the republic. Shaggy. Babami. My apologies first for keeping you waiting. I hope they entertained you with something nice. Water, kuno, or zubu? Which water. Water. Okay, water is the spice of life. You see, and that's why you are the spice into what I need. You see, I have a client, one of the biggest entertainers in this country, and we are planning something special for him. And the moment this client just heard your name, straight away the client said, "Get me Shaggy. I need Shaggy's band at my events." So Shaggy, your band, I need you guys ASAP.
No, Baba, we will dey ready.
I trust
now. Our work.
Oh yeah.
Even that day first day, we just come back from abroad. We go to Malawi. We go and perform.
Okay.
Get one wake keep we will go do for there.
Wake keep.
Electrician. We go climb Nepal pole. Come electrify.
But in this case, I mean, you know me, I look like somebody that's my hair is, electrified. But you are not doing wake keeping for me. You see, what I need you for, Shaggy, because I already can tell that, even countries where know the world map, Shaggy and the band, they don't reach
nowhere.
Everywhere. But Jerry, so the deal is, first I need to confirm your availability. And we'll now talk about the remaining modalities, per se. But first things first, I have to ask you. This is a serious matter. We have a budget for this event, so okay, yes, So I wanted to ask, so Shaggy and the band, what's your rate? Yeah.
We know where we perform when they know they rate us where they give up that they rate us 5 star. See, even the video. If I the child it's we that perform for the
you don't mean it.
Oh no, but the Slatan the picky way just born. Now we go perform for that. You don't now yesterday just pay half payment. Okay, so there's no our rates. They're always rating us 5 star.
5 star all the way. No. Okay, so I like the fact that I know that your performances are 5 star. But you see, this rate I am talking about has to do with the
okay,
I know you don't joke with your currency.
I
want to speak your language, your lingua.
No, I don't know your but I don't like to jump into conclusions.
Okay.
Oh yeah, but I don't know your budget.
Okay.
But because you are my person, oh yeah, we know you watch you for TV.
Yes,
for TV. We know you are a responsible person. We know you are in high class there. Any event in Nigeria, you are always there.
Yes,
so, Baba mi anything to wa. But what I want to know, okay, this event is it a birthday? Is it a wedding or a naming ceremony?
Oh, first things first. You see, this celebrant, as I said, is a very big fan of yours. Now it is his birthday, and I've already used his. You understand? So,
okay.
I don't want to tell you who it is yet.
No, wala. Okay, so the celebrant's down. Is he a gay or is a gay?
Shaggy, I said his birthday. So the celebrant is a guy.
Oh, it's a man.
Because I'm wondering, do you have different quotations for gender?
Yes, now because if na woman, say that they always get plenty friends. They go dance from today to tomorrow. They go display the dance there. So the money go plenty because na different song we go sing. Oh yeah. Okay. For the video David ceremony, na like 35 Igbo song.
Shaggy, hold on. You will not have to sing 35 because the celebrant is a man, as I said, and we just need 1 hour from you guys.
No, wala.
Just 1 hour.
Just let me calculate it.
Okay, quickly calculate it.
Let us write it up. 20,000.
You say?
I say 30,000.
Isn't that too small? Like 30,000? 30,000 is small now.
No, I don't. Wait, you see that now hear me? I know say that I say 100,000.
Oh, my hair. You know my hair can be blocking my ears at times, so you know it's messing with my brain cells. I think 100,000 is fine, and I think we can work with that, right?
Okay.
100,000. So what we'll do is 1 hour of your time, but you see, my client is very particular about some things. It's very detailed. So I would like you to assemble the band, and if possible, maybe tomorrow, if possible, just you guys just do like a little rehearsal, like a little.
Yes, sir. Forget that. Rehearsal for. You know, this is why we had a perform. With them,
that's why I have faith in you.
I go out for all those Mushi Carnival, all those social dinner. We dey perform for there. Wetin we need rehearsal for?
So, but because it's my client, you know, and we want to make him happy on his memorable day.
Okay, so you want me we call the house?
Yes. So I don't mind coming tomorrow.
We not tomorrow. It's too far. We will call this evening. As I go like that, I'll just call my band.
This evening. Isn't it a bit too sudden? Like, I mean, you have to assemble everybody and.
Too sudden. Busy bá wo iṣẹ́ lóògùn iṣẹ́. Múra sísọ ọ̀rẹ́ mi. We go straight to the point. There's still time. We come back this evening.
This evening.
Hold on.
Okay, then I think I would have to quickly call my clients to know if he's available this evening, because he's currently in the studio. Okay.
No.
Shaggy, what I'll do is I would get him to come here,
okay.
You know, and then you assemble the team, you know, assemble
no,
everybody. You know, we want the vibes. Yeah. I want sound. No, I want the area to scatter.
You know what? Maybe it's that 100,000 that we talk.
Yes.
Leave it to me. Leave it to me, hold on.
If you make my clients happy, you can even add extra.
You don't know me, you don't know me,
Shaggy. We will know you, not to worry. No more. Please bring more water for Shaggy. So I just need you to gather everybody. Please, I need everyone to be on point. I need everyone to deliver.
No worries.
Because you see, my clients has to be wild.
Sir, yes. You know what? Just let me go and get ready. Just let me do the transfer so that everything will go.
I should do
transfer
now. Shaggy Odeo. NUFE. Shaggy! NUFE!
Say, you know, we have to seal the deal.
I am speaking your language. Don't worry. I understand. It's called the currency lingua. So Shaggy, don't worry. See, when we arrive this evening, I'm telling you.
Okay, no.
If you see my client, Shaggy,
if you say so.
What to hang it?
No problem, sir. Maybe just transfer 5 just to know that okay, I will come back. It's not like I will not come back. It's just to see the deal. That's how we do business.
35 or 35?
35. Just to hold it down.
Shaggy.
Okay, no.
I've already promised you.
Don't
even stress.
Let's do just 2K.
Shaggy, go and get ready. Don't worry, go and get ready.
Yes.
I will sort this out ASAP. Let me check and see if my client is available. And then, of course, I will see you this evening.
Give me juice.
8 hours later.
Shaggy Oliver! I see you, my brother.
I say we go deliver. Don't worry, we don't do
You won't leave height for me. But you came with your instrument. I see you.
I don't tell you say we no go mess up. We go give you the number 1 performance. 100%.
Wow, I'm so excited about this. Okay, so I need you all to brace yourselves because I'm about to unveil the number 1 entertainer. Even countries that are not on the world map, he has also reached there. Are you ready? Yes. Are you ready for this one? Yes. So get in the spirit. We have to make that money. I'll be right back. Okay.
Go straight to the point. Let's surprise them.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the unstoppable, unshakable, Baba! Yes, sir.
You don't tell me, say
okay. That is your guy. Aha.
What's the cigar?
Well, don't worry. We will give you number 1 performance.
Oh no.
Yes. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go.
You are my African queen.
Girl of my dream, you make my heart desire. You make my heart legally. You are my African queen. Girl of my dreams. And leave me now. You do know how passionate. See, role model.
What did they do now?
Leave me now. Let me say I be lead vocalist. No, it's not say two Baba na my role model. Two Baba. You are my role. You be my role model. You make my heart legal.
I'll be right back. What did they do now? What did they do now? Say now what will react with that now? Say now what will react with that? What did they do? That shut up, Daddy. I said you go play this bangolo. You will come here, come the showcase from one voice. That's to spoil person work like this.
No.
Now waiting.
Okay, I'm sorry, we can keep our voices down. This is a
Sorry,
residential
no,
area, yeah.
Yes.
So, there seems to be a problem. My client has a migraine because of the vocal gymnastics. Yes, you that forgot your height at home, you seem to have brought the loudest voice here. Because now Tubaba has a migraine, and how am I going to fix that?
Let me face it for you. It's not part of us. It's when I was coming. It's a motherless home baby. He just say he want to follow us. And I be to now help somebody will not be hard for me. That's how I mean. And all I say is you play Spangolo. He just come here. Don't worry, I'll deal with him. If something can do again, Tubaba will enjoy it.
Oh, okay.
Oh no.
You guys can do it.
We
again.
Thank you.
Wow.
That's one thing.
You can actually fix this.
Hey.
Wow.
I'm not worried.
Okay, so you want to fix this?
Yes.
How do I explain this? Okay. The problem here now is that we will not be needing your services until 2023.
2023 is bad.
When that time comes, you can reach out, because you see right now I have a very angry client and I've just lost money.
Sir, no worry. Don't worry, you can go.
I will have Tubaba send you that 3-5 that you asked for.
Baba send me 3-5.
He will send it to you.
Wow. Thank you, sir. God bless. You got it.
Original mumu, bossa, bossa.